Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. Let me show you an example of how to create a dictionary. First, we declare a variable, dictionary1, and assign the variable to a curly brackets. And within the curly brackets, we enter in the values using key values format. So in this situation, name is the key and John is the value. Age is the key, 35 is the value. Job is the key and engineer is the value. To print out this dictionary, we use the built-in print function and we enter in the name of the dictionary. And these are the values of this dictionary. And that is how to create a dictionary in Python. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to a key name inside the square brackets. Let me show you an example with the following syntax. Then you can assign this to a variable, and to print out the value, use the built-in print function, enter in the variable. So name is the key and John is value. So you specify the key within square brackets and it will print out the value, which is John in this case. And that is how you access items in a dictionary in Python. To change the value of a specific item, you refer to the key name. Using the following syntax, let me show you an example of how to change the value of a specific item. You enter in the name of the dictionary and within square brackets, you enter in the key and the new value you want to assign to the key. In this situation, we want to change the current name of John to Peter. So we assign Peter as the new value. So the new value for name, the key name, is now Peter. And to print this out, we use the built-in print function. Specify the dictionary name and within square bracket, we enter in the key. So if we print this out now, so Peter is not a new value for the key name. And that is how to change the values in a dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. When you loop through a dictionary, the values that get returned are the keys of the dictionary. Let me show you an example of how to loop through a dictionary using the following syntax. Here we're using a for loop, and this key here, this variable key, is going to be the variable that holds the value of each of the keys. That's name, age, and job. At each iteration, this variable key will hold these values of the keys in the dictionary. And when we print this out, these are the values of the keys of the dictionary. That is how to loop through a dictionary to get the keys of the dictionary. Alternatively, if you want to print out the values instead of the keys, you can use the following syntax. So here we have a for loop. You can change this to value. Your name can be any name. So just change to value for clarity. So we change that to value. Here we have a for loop that returns the value of the dictionary. The dictionary name is specified, and within square brackets, the value, which is the variable that holds the value of each key at each iteration, is now in between the square brackets. So when we print this out, the value will go through each of the values in the dictionary. So you can see these are the values of the dictionary. So for the key name, John is the value. For the key age, 35 is the value. And for the key job, engineer is the value. And that is how to print out the values of a given dictionary. In addition, you can also use the values function to return the values of a dictionary. Let me show you an example using the following syntax. Here we have a for loop that uses the values function attached to the dictionary. So this variable value will hold the values of the dictionary at each iteration of the for loop. Now when we run this, you can see the values of the dictionary have been returned using the values function. And that is how to use the values function to return the values of a dictionary. You can loop through both the keys and values by using the items function. Let me show you an example of how to loop through the keys and values of a dictionary by using the items function. Here we have a for loop with two variables, key, value, and we specify the dictionary name here and the items function attached to the dictionary name. And we're printing out both variables of the for loop, and the key we hold the keys of the dictionary, and the value we hold the values of the dictionary. So here are the keys and value of the dictionary. And this is how you print out both the keys and the values of a dictionary. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, you can use the in keyword. Let me show you an example of how to use the in keyword. Here we have an if statement checking if the key age is in dictionary 1. So print out yes if there is a key with the name age in dictionary 1. So when we run this, yes. So age is present in dictionary 1. And that is how to use the in keyword to check if a key exists in a dictionary. To determine how many items, key, value pairs a dictionary has, you can use the len method. Let me show you an example of how to use the len method. So if we want to find out the length of dictionary 1, we use the len method. And between the brackets, you enter in the dictionary name. And to print out the value, use the built-in print function. So dictionary 1 has 3 pairs of key values. And that is how to use the len method to determine the length of a dictionary. If you want to add a new item to a dictionary, this can be done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Let me show you an example of how to add a new item to a dictionary. Here we want to add an item with a key of title and value of manager. So you specify the dictionary name, and within square brackets, you enter in the new key and you assign it to the value you want to assign it to. To print out the new key value pairs of the dictionary, we use the built-in print function. Now you can see a new key with the name title and value manager has been added to the dictionary 1 using this line here. And that is how to add new items to a dictionary. There are several ways to remove items from a dictionary. We're going to start by using the pop method. The pop method removes the specified key name from a dictionary using the following syntax. Let me show you an example of how to use the pop method to remove a specified key name from a dictionary. Here I've specified a dictionary name and a dot to attach the pop method, and between the brackets entered in the key name of job. In this situation, what will happen is that both the key and value for the key name of job will be removed from the dictionary. To print out the new content of dictionary 1, we use the built-in print function, enter in the dictionary name. As you can see, the key name, job, and value engineer have been removed from the dictionary 1. And that is how to use the pop method to remove a key and value from a dictionary. In addition, you can use the del keyword to remove items from a dictionary. And you can use the del keyword in 2 ways. First is to remove a specified key name. And second, you can also use the del keyword to delete the dictionary completely. Using the following syntax, let me show you an example of how to use the del keyword to remove a specified key name. Here is the keyword del, and we specify the name of the dictionary, and within square brackets we enter in the key we want to remove. In this case, we're removing the key with the name age. So if we print out the content of dictionary 1 now, we can see that the key with the name age has been removed. And that is how to use the del keyword to remove a specified key name. Alternatively, we can also use the del keyword to delete the dictionary completely. Using the following syntax, let me show you an example of how to delete the dictionary using the del keyword. First, we specify the keyword del. After the keyword, we specify the dictionary name, and to print out the content of the dictionary, we use the built-in print function and enter in the dictionary name. You can see that the dictionary is no longer available because we have deleted it using the del keyword. And that is how to use the del keyword to delete a dictionary. To empty the content of a dictionary, you use the clear method. Let me show you an example. So I have specified the dictionary name here and attached it to the clear method using a dot. So now if we print out dictionary 1 using the built-in print function, we have an empty dictionary. And that is how to use the clear method to empty the content of a dictionary. There are a number of ways to copy one dictionary content to another. And one of the ways is to use the built-in copy method. Let me show you an example. Here I've specified a new dictionary, dictionary 2, and I've assigned it to the existing dictionary, which is dictionary 1. And I'm using the built-in copy method attached to the dictionary 1 using a dot. So now dictionary 2 will hold the value of dictionary 1 because we have included this method here. And to see the content of dictionary 2, we use the built-in print function. You can see that dictionary 2 here now holds the same content as dictionary 1. And that is how to use the copy method to copy the content of one dictionary to another. Another way to copy a dictionary is by using the built-in method dict. Let me show you an example using the following syntax. Here we have created another dictionary named dictionary 2, and this is the keyword dict, and within the brackets we enter in the dictionary we want to copy, which is dictionary 1. Now dictionary 2 now holds the value of dictionary 1. So the value of dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 are now the same because of this keyword. And to print out the content of dictionary 2, we use the built-in print function. Now you see that the printout show exactly the same content for dictionary 2 and dictionary 1. And that is how to copy the content of one dictionary to another using the keyword dict. It's possible to use the dict keyword constructor to create a new dictionary. Let me show you an example using the following syntax. Here I have defined a variable and I've assigned it to the keyword dict, and within the brackets I have key value pairs of name, age, and job. Notice the way there are no double quotes around the keys, and also we are not using colons. We are using the equal to symbol in this situation. So if we want to see the content of dictionary 1, we use the built-in print function, and these are the content of dictionary 1, and that is how to use the dict keyword as a constructor to create a new dictionary. We can combine the content of existing dictionaries into one dictionary. That is called a nested dictionary. Let me show you an example using the following syntax. Here we have 3 existing dictionaries, as in the days of the week. Day 1, day 2, day 3. So day 1 is Monday, day 2 Tuesday, and day 3 is Wednesday. Here I've created a new dictionary that I've nested all the existing dictionaries. You can see here day 1, which is day 1 here, existing dictionary, day 2 and day 3. And I've assigned a new key for each existing dictionary. Now if we print out the content of this new dictionary that I've nested all the existing dictionary, as you can see, the new dictionary weekdays holds the content of the 3 existing dictionaries: weekday 1, weekday 2, and weekday 3, and their key value pairs. And that is how to create a nested dictionary. We can update an existing dictionary by inserting an item to the dictionary. Let me show you an example of how to update an existing dictionary with a new item using the update method. Here I've created a dictionary with a name dictionary1, and it has two key values, name and age. So name is John, age is 1. So now with this line we print out the current value, and underneath this print function I have used the update method. So use the update method, you attach it to the dictionary you want to update using the dot symbol, and between the brackets you use the curly brackets and define the key and the value of the new item you want to insert into the dictionary. Here I want to insert job as the new key and engineer as the value. Now if you print out the content of dictionary 1 after using the update, and this print function here will print out the content of the dictionary 1 after using the update method. So let's print out the content of dictionary 1. As you can see here, this is the content of dictionary 1 before the update method was used, and this is now the content of dictionary 1 after the update method was used. This line here is just used to separate the before and after effect of the update method. And that is how to use the update method to insert a new item into a dictionary. And that is it for this video, and I will see you on the next one.